Okay, hello there. As you maybe know, we are moving, and I thought about taking the opportunity of showing you something that I learned from my father. And something that I've received questions about is how to tie trucker's hitch without having to pull the whole rope through the loop. So I call it the trucker's hitch with loop. And this is how I do it. Just the loop. And I use a loop here. You can use any kind of loop you like. This is you can use any kind of loop you like. This is very easy to do and easy to take apart. And then this end through there. Hold tight. And just a half hitch to secure the loop. And then you can continue on the other side. So that's it. Thank you.